Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, sorry it's really bright, isn't it? Oh. Sorry, the sun is like coming out so everything just looks really super bright. But yeah, different setting today. So I am in my London home and sorry, I'm just trying to find some better lighting. There we go. So I am in my London home and I'm moving out. This is my last weekend in London. I've come up to literally pack up my room. And I realised I never kind of did like a tour of this room or even of this house. So I thought I would just do that now. You know, it's kind of like a memory for me to kind of remember my final home in London with all of my friends. And I just thought you might be interested to see it because obviously it is like, this is my uni kind of life, I guess. So yeah, just thought I'd kind of show you. So I'll do the kind of tour now, and then I'll do some like time lapses of packing everything up, and then obviously I will show you when everything's done. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today in London. It's much nicer than it would be back home. I'm really washed out and bright right now. I'm really sorry. There's literally nothing I can do because it's just so bright outside. But yeah. Okay, so sorry about my hair also. It's just not a good look for me today. So this is kind of where you walk in. This is my door. And yeah, so basically the back of my door I just keep all of kind of like my bags. Some of these I literally never use. I never use this anymore. Never use this. This was kind of like my clubbing bag in like first year of uni. I don't even know what's in it. Yeah, there's just like a lip gloss in there from when I used to go clubbing. And yeah, it's kind of just like these three bags that I use. And then underneath is actually a calendar, but you can't see that. And then I just have some cute little things that I was given kind of as like move-in presents when I moved to London. But yeah, so this is kind of what you see when you walk into my room. I've tidied it as best as I can, but yeah, sorry if it's a little bit messy. So you've just got my side table. So I've got a planner there that my best friend Emily got me. Picture of me and Harry. I've had that picture for a while now, but it's from 2018, the actual picture itself. Then I just have my sunglasses that I've been wearing up here. And then this is actually really cute. This little trinket box is actually from B&M. It was really cheap. And inside I just have some of kind of like the jewellery that I wear all the time up here. So yeah, sorry, they are from yesterday. I wanted a bit of a treat, so I got the giant chocolate buns from M&S. Then I always have my water bottle. And then this lamp I actually had in first year as a present from my cousin, and you just like tap it and it comes on. Oh. And you can also click the button and it's like turns different colours. Yeah, it's kind of cool. The side table itself is from IKEA, as is all of the furniture in here. And then underneath I just literally have this box and I just keep kind of everything in it. So like wipes, cotton buds, body spray that I actually use as room spray, like some random DVDs, my keys. Yeah, it's just completely random. And then I just have my lotion that I put on before bed and a reusable coffee cup, so I don't forget it when I go to uni for coffee in the mornings. And then if I do this, so this headboard is from, no, it's not from IKEA, it's from eBay. It was really, really cheap. And then I actually hate the bed and I have on my bed. It's kind of like the bed and I put on if I'm gonna like fake tan, because I don't care if it really gets messy. This kind of bedding set with the pillows is from a brand called Dusk, I think, if that's correct. And yeah, it's reversible, so you can have it grey or you can have it pink. And then this V pillow is from Denelm, I think. It's like that teddy material. It's really, really nice. And then I just have my little beast. And yeah, so that is my bed. So I'll come around this way, I guess. So yeah, there's my door. Then I keep my laundry basket there. Again, that laundry basket is from B&M. It just matches with my theme, I guess. Then I have my printer down there just because I brought it up from downstairs so I don't forget to take it home with me. Again, chest of drawers from IKEA. I've kind of packed up some of it now, but the top drawer I just have like all my underwear. Then this drawer we actually packed up yesterday, so this is just kind of what I brought up to wear. But in this drawer was kind of all my sportswear and my dance stuff, like my leotards and everything. Don't even know what's in this drawer. Oh yeah, so just like joggers and t-shirts and everything. And then the bottom drawer is pyjamas, and I literally can't even like pull this drawer out because I am literally obsessed with pyjamas. Yeah, candle from Aldi, I think. I've never actually lit this candle, like it's literally brand new, but I just really like the look of it. And then there's some pics of me and my friend Emily. These were taken in my first year of uni as well, so it's just like a nice reminder of, you know, kind of like memories and where I've come from and stuff. Up on the wall there, that was a leaving present I had from the little girls that I teach back at home from dance, and yeah, I just love that. And then down at the side I literally just throw my random stuff, just like some bags and some things that don't really fit anywhere. And then this mirror again is from IKEA. It's super dusty and dirty. Like I said, I've not been in this house for 3 months now. But yeah, that's from IKEA. And then this is my big wardrobe right there. So again, it's from IKEA. All of the stuff on top, I'm just to ignore it's there. Like I said, it just doesn't fit anywhere else. So yeah, this is just the wardrobe that I keep kind of all of my actual clothes, and then I packed up most of my shoes, but yeah, that is that. And then in this wardrobe is usually all of my jumpers, but again I packed those, and then right at the bottom are kind of all my dance shoes. And then we come over to this fireplace. Now this is probably the ugliest thing in my room. I literally hate it. Like the fireplace itself was nice, but when we moved in, this was obviously like a child's room. It just has these like butterfly stickers on, and we literally just can't get them off. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. But again, I just have some pictures, some candle holders, this lovely print, because obviously I'm doing a musical theatre degree, so gotta have some form of dance picture in your room, right? Then more pictures of me and my best friend Emily, because yeah, she just keeps me sane in this life. And then these are just packing boxes to use today. And then we have my second wardrobe, again obviously from IKEA. This one has a mirror on, and in this wardrobe I just keep my jackets and my coats, and then down there I usually keep my like winter shoes. And then these two boxes just have like all of my like hair stuff and just some spare kind of like shampoo and conditioner and everything. Nothing too exciting in there. And then in this kind of little corner, that B&M bag is just full of all my cleaning stuff. So I have like my bleach and my like surface wipes and whatever, and I keep my ring light there, which I'm so excited to take home. And then this big giant pink teddy, my little cousin Josh won at Winter Wonderland, and he gave it to me, and it's my favourite thing ever, so I just keep it there. And then yeah, I just have this, my little dream message there. I really like just having like really cute little things in my uni room, like little sayings, because it just keeps me going. And then I have my bin, so my curtains are on there. Oh, by the way, the curtains are from Argos, I think, and the curtain rail is from IKEA, I think. And then we just have my little bookshelf. This is the messiest thing ever. There is no rhyme or reason to it. But I have a picture of me, my mum and my dad, some cards, and then yeah, it's just really random. I have like random perfumes, like tea light holders, some more pictures, some cookbooks, my singing folders, all of my sheet music, and yeah, it's just completely random. But that is my uni room. Yeah, like I said, you have to ignore these because there's literally nowhere else for me to put them. And the lampshade came with the room, but yeah, that is my uni room. And now we need to get packing, because like you've probably seen, there is a lot of stuff in this room that I've accumulated over the last 3 years of living in London, and I dread to think how long it's going to take us to pack everything up. And my parents are coming tonight to literally like get all my wardrobes down, so yeah, we need to get moving, and it's already quite late in the day, I think. I don't know, I'm kind of happy to be moving out, so I can kind of like close this chapter of my life and kind of like move on to the next step. But I'm really sad because I've loved living with, you know, my best friends, and yeah, I don't know, bittersweet feeling.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm. Ooh, ooh, oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Okay, so it's a few hours later. We just had a break for some lunch, and I was applying for some jobs online. There's really not that much to do in my room at all. I've got to finish up packing my things from in the kitchen, so like my pots and pans and whatever else. But yeah, we're nearly done. My parents have just left like Swansea from back home. They've just left, so it's probably going to take them around 4 and a bit hours to get here. And then yeah, we're just going to order some food and then take all of my furniture apart essentially. That might be tomorrow's job though, because it'll probably be a bit late to start that later on. But we did order a Starbucks. There is literally a Starbucks at the top of my road, and we ordered it on Uber Eats. But I just needed a Starbucks.
Making fun of me.
Hello everyone, it's the next day, quite late on in the day actually, and I haven't filmed because we've literally just been taking apart my wardrobes. So there was a wardrobe there and there was one there. It doesn't even look like any different. Yeah, and pretty much all we've got left to do is just hoover, cut some of the grass, and pack the rest of the stuff in the car. But I'm pretty much all done, I'm pretty much all packed. And yeah, there's not really much else to say or show. I wish I could have shown you like all of the stuff bagged and packed, because I did not realize how much stuff I actually had. But yeah, we're just gonna have our leftover pizzas now for lunch, and then probably just pack everything and then head off. It's quite sad, but you know, we must move on. Okay, so I'm really sorry if you can hear like hoovering or talking in the background. My room is finally done. It's finally packed up. So I'm just going to show you what it actually looks like, kind of like all bare, and you'll be able to see kind of how much stuff I actually had in this room. Yeah, so obviously this is the door where you come in, so like obviously all my bags were there, and then this is the room. Totally, completely bare. I actually managed to get the butterflies off this, so that was a good job for me. But yeah, this is the room, all empty. And I guess that just completes my whole kind of university journey. Yeah. I need to get over it, I'm such a mess. Yeah, I've had the best 3 years and I'm really sad to be going. Really sad, and if I keep talking I'm just gonna get upset. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already then please follow me on Instagram, which I'll leave on the screen. My next video is actually going to be a Shein haul, which is coming on Thursday, so make sure that you click the bell so you get notified when that goes up. And obviously please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe. I don't know if I've even said that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm very, very excited for my next chapter in life, and I'm very excited to bring you all along with me. Bye.
We used to talk for hours, but now we don't do that anymore. We used to share our thoughts and dreams, but that was such a long time ago.